Hey, what's up? What's up? So today I'm gonna make a breakdown on my setup on NAS. I was able to catch 4,000 pips on Nasdaq this week with only one trade. So let me share with you here. There we go. So here, pushing myself at 10, 8, 37, and then took 90% of um, profits, right? After roughly 2,000 pips. And then I keep my position until it reached 4,000 pips here, right? And then I just decided to close it, all my position roughly around 4,000 pips. So let's dive in on chart. This. Okay, so let's go on daily time frame. Damn. Just gonna replay it to here, let's say. Okay, to show you what happened. Okay, so on daily, what we see, bearish, right? Boom, lower highs here, and also lower low, right? So we're bearish, but of course, it's always a good idea to go with the trend, but knowing that we are bearish, of course, I can take buys, right? So if you took a buy here, 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 let's say, you can still catch some pips, right? So I knew that we were bearish, so I was like, okay, cool. So if we are creating, sorry, we are creating lower low from this area, where can potentially the price bounce back up, right? So I was looking left, and then I see this area here. As you can see, previous demand zone. What I mean by that is when previously, right, before it reached this area, we were able to push it up, right? So potentially, if we get back to this area, the price can shoot up again. So I just want to tell you that I'm not a financial advisor, right? Sorry. What I show you today is just what happened in the market last week. Okay. So looking at this area again, we can go on the 4 hours and see maybe more, right? So we were 2020, damn, September 2020. So if we look at here, boom, create a low, push it up, broke these levels, right? Came back, respect this low, right? And then push it up, retrace, creating a higher low. Amazing. So push it up. Maybe on little time frame, we can say it was a BOS, right? A break of structure of this high, right? On maybe little time frame, smaller time frame. So we broke this structure, and then we retrace, boom, higher than this level, and then we push it up all the way up, right? All the way up. Boom. So this setup give us a lot of pips, right? Damn. Amazing. Damn. Okay. So let's look at what happened last week. So I took this trade, I believe, Sunday night, right? Okay, so let's go on 15 minutes. And see what happened. Okay, nice. Let's see when we broke 11. Damn. Okay, still playing this in this demand zone, right? So we push it up here. So let's see what happened. Of course, there's a high probability that we don't really respect this low, right? Why? It's just because we are bearish, right? So if we go with the trend, let's stay on the 4 hours, right? Yep. So boom, retrace, boom, create lower low, and then higher retracement, but we didn't break above this level, right? So we're still bearish from here. And then what would be logic for, still respecting the trend would be a lower low, right? So I didn't really think that this would be a good buy area. So I was waiting for the potential, right? Potential breakout of this level. So let's see on 5 minutes. Let's go. Okay. Let's go on 15 minutes. Maybe it's going to be faster. Finally, not yet. Okay, so there we go. We're on the 4 hours. Damn. So we see broke this level, right? Creating what? A lower low. So okay, cool. We're still good. Let's go on 1 minute, right? Because I was waiting the price to hit this area, and then just look at what happened on 1 minute. So market open Sunday. Shit. So let's go like that. Okay, so boom. As you can see here, buyers struggle to really push the price higher, right? So we went down and then went down again. Wow, boom. Here, let's see. Okay. So we broke here and then create this low here, right? So we broke, we traced, boom, have this low, and then what happened on 1 minute is nice reaction. I like what happened on 1 minute, right? So we create this low, and then what happened next? Here, higher low, right? Push a bit up, retrace, boom, push it up, and then this low is higher than this low, right? So okay, we still maintain this area on the 1 minute, right? And bigger time frame, we hit our point of interest, right? So bigger time frame, we hit our point of interest here, and then we create here when we hit that area, higher lows on 1 minute. Amazing. So I didn't position myself here. I was waiting to see really what the price will tell me. So what I see is, okay, if you look at this, okay, on the 1 minute, what happened? So we push it down, retrace, push it down, retrace, push it down, retrace, and this here should create what? A lower low, right? If it was still bearish, correct? But the market was able to push up. So on the 1 minute, right? On the 1 minute, we broke here, here. So it's just a sign, right? And then match this level here, and then retrace, and still higher, higher here, right? And then we see this wick, so sellers push it down, but buyers keep pushing up. Boom, create a wick, push it down again, but buyers still maintain this level, right? Buyers still maintain this level. Because if we were still bearish here, this should boom, right? So let's see, okay, retrace, boom. Let's say it was a retracement from here. This would, should, or could create a lower low. So I will not have any data for positioning myself for a buy, right? So when we hit that area, boom, on the 1 minute, create a what? Boom, higher lows. Amazing. And then when we push it to here, buyers push it up, right? Was able to push it up, break here, and let's say a little here, right? So we broke, and then let's see what happened next. So on the 1 minute, we see kind of buyers getting more strength, right? So looking at that structure, okay, I'm just gonna remove this, right? I said I'm gonna play this area. If it comes back, right? If it comes back to this area, let's see what happened, okay? Because lower than this would confirm, okay, so if you push it up, if you push it up and then buyers don't have enough strength to push it higher, this should create a lower low, right, to maintain the bearish momentum. So 37, right? So here we close above, right? So when I see this rejection, okay, when I see this rejection closing above this area, I said, okay, I'm positioning myself for a buy. So I play on a bigger time frame, POI, right? Upon my point of interest on bigger time frame, and then what happened on the 1 minute, right? 5 minutes. Of course I go on smaller time frame after that just to have more precision of what happened. So when I saw that rejection, so we push it down, sellers push it down, but buyers were able to close above, right? So I positioned myself. 37. Of course, here we are on trading view, and we don't have the exact same price, right, from my broker, right? So let's say here 37 was the entry, right? Let's look again to make sure. Where it is. Whoa, where it is. Oh, here. There we go. So 10, 8, 37, 10, right? Stop loss 10, 10, 8, 30. So why 10, 8, 30? It's simple. So if you go on the chart again, oh shit, god damn, it's beautiful this, right? Beautiful. So I don't know if you still look at my chart. I'm just going to share it again just to make sure. There we go. So 37, and then I said at 30. Okay, why I put my stop loss there? It's simple. It's just because if we go lower, right? If we go lower, it would just confirm the bearish momentum. But you see here, of course, it was a lower low. But with the wick, with the rejection, right? And if you look at RSI, it's going to be divergence. Boom. Right? There we go, divergence. So I was playing, boom, 37, 10, something like that. Like I said, we don't have the exact same price than my broker, but let's say like that, okay? So at 30, I said, okay, this trade would be invalidated. Of course, would be invalidated because it will be what? Boom, hello. So just gonna remove this. Push this like that. So when I enter here, what was my target? My target, of course, final target was here. Final target. So I like to, analyze on 1 hour, 4 hours, right? So my first TP would be 2,000 pips, right? So it was at, let's see here. Yeah, makes sense. To be honest, it makes sense. Why? Because we have a low here, right? And when we broke a low, potentially can become the top and then continue to the downside, right? But to be honest, this one is a good TP. It's just because what happened, I'm just going to show you what happened. But after that, I took 4,000 pips, so it was that kind of area there. Yeah, so my other TP was here. Take profit, right? And then, of course, here, my final TP. Okay, and if we're able to push it higher, we will just push it higher, right? So let's go on. I'm just curious here. So it's a what is the setup? Damn, 71 to 1 risk ratio. God damn. Okay, but of course I closed 90% of my position here. 1 to 46. God damn. Damn. So let's see what happened, right? Of course, I didn't close here, but it was a good potential TP, right? So my full setup was kind of around this area. So let's look at what happened. I think I'm gonna keep it on 1 hour, right? So this is what happened. Oh, so of course it was nighttime, right? So when we push it up and then create higher low from this area, before I went to sleep, right? So I say, okay, cool, amazing. And then during the night, we still pushing up. Maybe I'm gonna put it like that. So to tell you what happened, right? So here, boom, pushing myself here, and then push it up, match this top, right? Retrace, creating what? Higher lows. Amazing. That's amazing because it's a sign that the price wants to push up again, right? And then what happened is we consolidate, right? A bit there on 15 minutes, consolidate, right? Here, and then still respect this low, right? This bottom, push it up. So broke, right? Broke this level, retrace, respect again this demand zone, right? On 15 minutes, right? So buyer is still keeping that level, amazing, and then we push it up. So that's why I didn't. This low, right, was a good TP1, but the momentum was really aggressive, like buyers showing up like crazy, buyers showing up like it was Boxing Day, right? So just gonna remove this. Damn. Okay. And then when we respect this area, right? Boom, push it up, skyrocket, and then we push it up to 11,074. Push it back here, right? Push back to this area, So top being got broken, right? Boom, potentially can become a low and market structure, right? And then push it up again. Damn, hit 2000 pips here. So I decided to, hey, I'm good, 2000 pips with a very good risk to reward. And then also I'm conscious, I'm aware, right, that we getting into supplies on here, right, on 50 minutes, right? So here we can potentially push it lower, but buyers still maintain, right? So we push it up, retrace, and then potentially buyers were still able to push it up again. So that's why I left 10% of my position. So let's see what happens. Damn. See here, boom. Wow. So what happened is buyers still pushing up again and again. So I'm just gonna remove this. So that's why it was really, really impulsive. So that's why I stay, right? Because I saw the momentum to the upside. And then here, 4,000 pips. Then I close like just below here, something like that. But makes sense because in the past, right, here we sold. So potentially if we hit again that area, we're gonna sell again. So that's why I close all my 10%, right, of position here. And then what happened? Buyers still pushing up like crazy. So okay. Let's see the top, right? If I would keep my position. Let's see the top. If I would keep my position. Okay, I believe that is the top there. Damn, more tops. Buyers are crazy. So let's see here. Let's say it was the top there. God damn. So 8,000 pips, I believe. Yep, 8,000 pips on this one. If I would keep my position from here. Sniper. So that's what it is. It is okay, right? People, we don't know what's gonna happen in the market, right? So it's really important that you respect your strategy. Of course, I close at 4,000 pips and it went up to 8,000 pips from my position. But you know what? It is what it is, right? So I hope you enjoy it. And also you can write down in the comments what kind of video of trading you would like to see. Okay. And also, of course, if you like this breakdown, you can like the video and subscribe. Peace.